Whenever a new BMW model is released, it always takes a little bit of time to develop and release aftermarket parts. We know this from our own experience because we're developing some parts for this car which are not out yet. One of the first to market for aero kits is always our friends at Alpha N. And today we're going to be fitting all of these parts. So let's take a closer look at the parts. The first part we're not going to be fitting today is the CSL style boot lid. So this actually gets molded into the original boot lid and then painted. I've seen it fitted on a few cars and it looks fantastic. The reason Alpha N went for this option rather than a full boot lid is that the boot lid would have been extremely expensive and you wouldn't really feel the weight savings on this car because it's so heavy. The first part we're going to be fitting today is this front splitter. So this is prepared carbon. It has a weave which matches in the middle, and just like with any other parts from Alpha N, the carbon is extremely high quality. I went for this front splitter because it's going to follow along with the lines of the car really well and provide that little bit of extra aggressiveness on the front. On the rear of the car, we're going to fit this V1 diffuser. This takes its style design from the stock diffuser, but it actually has more detail and it's rounder in shape. The stock one is very angular. It also comes out more on the side and again has more chamfers and layers than the stock diffuser has. As an added bonus, this one can be converted into the V2 diffuser, which we're not going to do today, but we will do at a later date, which includes these fins, which go on either side, and also this middle bit here, which connects both of the diffusers left and right, and actually gives it a one-piece look. That's a quick overview of the parts, but you guys want to see it on, so let's get them fitted. Wow, I thought the G90 M5 was already pretty aggressive, but this Alpha N kit has taken it to another level. The front splitter fits like an OEM part, the carbon is very high quality, and it takes its styling cues from the OEM bumper. The stock rear diffuser on the G90 was my least favorite part about the car. It was very blocky and awkward looking. But this new carbon one from Alpha N has a lot more detail than the stock one, and it suits the rear of the car much better. We've still got the Auto ID TRE rear spoiler, and I think that finishes off the rear end really well. And remember, this is the V1 version of the diffuser. There is a more aggressive one. We're going to fit that when we do the wheels. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.